Hi everyone, so this is my first YouTube of 2018. I have been well away for all of January. I've taken some time off, away from YouTube. I think I've only done a couple of blogs, I think that's it this January. I took time away. December was crazy, and actually January is just as busy for me work-wise. So it doesn't really get any quieter. So I just took some time away from all the extra work that I was giving myself, just to chill out from that really, just have a bit of time out. I was crazy, I was busy, I just wanted a little bit of me time and just to relax a little bit in my evenings. So this YouTube is going to be really quick, it's very to the point, it's just going to tell you exactly what I have coming up this year. So this year is going to be jammed packed with tutorials. Hair tutorials, I have makeup tutorials, I've got some fitness ones going on, I have my health updates. So yeah, it's just a big wide variety of videos that will be over on my channel. If you don't know already, if you've not been following me on my Instagram, I have just started the 90-day SS plan from the Body Coach. So yeah, I am documenting, so I will be blogging. You can read it over on my blog as well as watch over on these videos. I'm documenting this journey of my new health, my new fitness. Those of you that have been watching my videos will know that I'm suffering from Graves' disease and it's causing me to have an overactive thyroid. And they're both working together and they've been making me feel pretty rough and pretty unwell. Anyway, this is another video, so I'm not going to go into any of that. But I've decided to do a new fitness and health and just to see if I can improve and boost my immune system naturally by using diet and exercise, and see what I can do to change my health and see what this diet plan, it's not really a diet, it's a fitness plan, just to see what Joe's plan can really do for someone like me. So I thought I'd give that a go. So you're going to see some videos about my food prepping. Obviously I can't give you any recipes or any ingredients because you have to pay for the plan yourself for that. And again, this will all be more documented in my health videos about the Graves' disease. I have got an update coming where I had the results back in December. So I have got an update of this video to be filmed. So yeah, so you'll find these fitness and health ones over on this channel as well now. This is really good, I'm really getting into it. You'll hear more about my Graves' disease journey and you'll be finding out in a couple of weeks exactly what I've got going on for this whole year, planning with these doctor's appointments and hospital visits, as it will be an ongoing progress for a little bit longer as far as I can see. I will find out. So anyway, that will all be in another video. So yeah, so you're going to have lots of hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, fitness, lifestyle, and a lot more vlogs coming up. I am doing a vlog in a couple of weeks as a beauty show, so that's going to be good fun, so look out for that video. If there's anything that you want to see or anything particular you want to see me do, anything basic, you know, do you want to just learn how to do a French plait, or do you want to know how to do your eyebrows, or how I do my eyebrows? Yeah, and then I've also got this hair tutorial where I got the red out and what colours I then put in and introduced back into my hair. So that will be coming on. Anything else you want to see, hear about, learn about, do, just let me know. But this year is really, really exciting. I have so much going on work-wise and I wish I could share it with you, but I can't right now. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any information coming up. You can follow my whole journey about my whole life on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for being patient and getting through the whole of January without me. Sorry I have neglected you, but I decided I had to come first for a little while. So I did. So again, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.